barBurrito, and this year is their 20th anniversary. And they have 370 locations across the country, so they're not just on the map, they are the map when it comes to Tex-Mex. So let's go eat. The first thing that I'm noticing is that this is not your average burrito joint. It's a choose-your-own adventure. You have over 3 million options when it comes to building a meal. Now you have tacos, bowls, and best of all, burritos. As someone that grew up in a restaurant, I have to say I'm truly impressed, especially with their fresh ingredients. So all of their vegetables are chopped daily, super fresh. Salsa is made in-house. Their meat is marinated and cooked daily as well. They have fresh rice, they have fresh beans. Everything looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try it out.
Welcome to barBurrito. What would you like today?
I will have a large burrito.
Large burrito? So the first step would be rice, and we have black beans or pinto.
I'll do the black beans.
We have mild chicken, spicy chicken, ground beef, pulled pork, veggie grounds.
I hear that your ground beef is amazing here, so I will try that.
Is our President's Family recipe.
Wow, look at that portion. And there's more.
We have unlimited toppings. So we usually start with the cheese, so shredded cheese or our queso.
Oh, I will do that. That looks amazing.
Once you choose the cheese, next choosing your salsa. So we have our jalapeno salsa. We have our pineapple salsa.
I will try that one. That looks amazing.
Pineapple salsa?
Yeah. So whatever toppings I want. Okay, I want some lettuce, tomatoes, onions, some green peppers. What are those?
Pickled onions.
I will definitely try those. I'm gonna do the burrito sauce.
Burrito sauce?
Finish this off with a little bit of hot sauce. That's impressive. Oh, that looks delicious.
Would you like any beverages?
No, I'm good. This looks amazing.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can't wait to try this. Oh my gosh. Now this is the moment. You can taste the homemade pineapple salsa. It's very good. The beans, the rice. You know, they talk about the fresh ingredients, but you can really taste it. I grew up in a Mexican restaurant, and I have to say, this is better than my mom's cooking. It's absolutely amazing.